Let's study another pattern of verb. This pattern is related to command or request. Here are some examples in English. Say, find, pray. Let's review the pattern.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Last letter of the root definitely have sukoon. First letter can have sukoon too. The root is prefixed with alif. Alif can have kasra or dhamma or just alif. Alif can have jar or push or just alif. Grammatically, alif is hamza tul wasl. Last letter have sukoon. Alif prefix the root. This is how we can describe the pattern in one sentence. أبعث send. أجعل make. أحكم judge. أحمل bear. أذهب go. أسمع hear. In all these examples, first letter and the third letter have sukoon. Here are some examples with weak root. For weak root, there is no alif. Last letter end with sukoon. So for command and request, we will have two patterns on the left pattern. One for solid root, the other for weak root. خذ take. سل ask. ذق taste. قل say. قم stand. كن be. زد find. The golden rule of verb. Please know, the word is a verb. If the word has the pattern of verb, identify the root. Apply the tense and the pronoun to the meaning of the root. Translate additional helping words if there is any. Please log in at QuranMadeEasy.com and complete your quizzes. Quiz will give you confidence that you understand the matters well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us.